I just wanna live in this moment forever. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Angel Baby by Troye Sivan. Alright, so I'm going to show you the beginner, intermediate, and advanced player and advanced way to play this. Just make sure your guitar is in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 4, and the chords are as follows. So I'm going to start off with the intro slash verse. Hold on, let me just press play. Here we go. So we have G, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. And this is a B minor 7, open, 2, open, 2, 3, open. You can hold it as a bar chord, which is an A minor in frets 3 and 4, and then you bar the second fret. But yeah, the easier way to play it is the way that I just showed you. And then we go into A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then lastly D, which is open, 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 2, 3, 2. Alright, so let's do that. So intro, I need a love that keep me safe, and then we go to B minor 7, na, 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 na. And then A minor, na, 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 na. And then D. Alright, so G, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, right? And then we get into I came out of blue on a rainy night. The chords change there into, well, the pattern changes, not the chords. Hold on, let me just find the chords there. So C, you came out of rain on a rainy night. So that's C into. Okay, so we have so C. Okay, so C is open, 3, 3, 2, open, 1, open, into E minor, open, 2, 2, open, 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 and then we get into I'll tell you how I almost died. That's now A minor, and then I think D is the last chord there. Yep, D, and then we get into I just wanna be in a man forever. So A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, right? And now the chorus is basically G to B minor 7, and then we go to A minor, and then D. Oh, my angel, baby, you're my angel. Baby, you're my angel. So that's on your second string 1, open, and then you go to second fret off string number 4, all right? And then that's open, 2, on string number 4, and then you go to open on 3rd and then 2nd. So open 2, and then you go to the string beneath that and open 2, and then you change to a chord. All right, so let's do that and bunch it with the chords. So G to B minor 7, and then A minor, D, and then A minor, D. So there's a progression change at 2 minutes 30. 2 minutes 30 seconds. I think that's after 2nd chorus, right? That just goes E minor to D, okay, I don't know which variation of C this is, but it goes E minor to D, and then instead of just playing C, we're gonna be playing open 3 2 open 4, right? And then we're back into I just wanna be right here forever, which is the chorus. Alright, so that's basically it for the whole song. I hope you guys can learn it, and yeah, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video.